Hey everybody, Jeff Althaus with Althaus Law. Thanks for watching today. We're talking about the top 7 mistakes to avoid in estate planning. It's exciting, I know. Number 1, just having a will. This is a terrible mistake people make. The only thing anyone's ever heard of is a will, so they think, hey, all I need is a will. Great, I'm done. Now my stuff's gonna go where I want it to. However, when all you have is a will in Colorado specifically, you're going to end up in probate most likely, which is court, which is never good and what people are trying to avoid in the first place. So just having a will, probably not enough for you. Number 2, naming multiple power people. I call power people anyone you can name to take control for you when you can't act for yourself. So these are financial powers of attorney, medical powers of attorney, executors, personal representative, trustee. The list goes on. The key here is you've got 4 kids. Don't name all 4 of them at the same time. That's terrible. I'm sure your kids have never fought with each other, but they will fight during these decisions. So don't name all of them at the same time. Name one after the other. Solves lots of problems. Number 3, not having backups. Refer to number 2. You don't want to name everyone at the same time, but you do want to have those backups. What happens if your primary power person isn't able to perform or has left the country? Or what if they've predeceased? Now they're a zombie. What are you going to do then? You have a backup. They automatically step in. We still stay out of court. So have backups. Number 4, doing your plan online. I know I'm biased because I'm the one you're paying to do your plan, but you don't have to pay me. Pay an attorney somewhere. Don't do your frickin' plan online. Those are terrible. People call and ask if I can review their online plans all the time, and even when I review them, my answer is always the same. You need a new plan. Online document farms can't send you legal documents because they can't notarize stuff for you. They can't witness it, and people get it in the mail and shove it in their safe, and it's worthless. Might as well have lit the money on fire. So don't do your plans online. Number 5, transferring property yourself. Holy cow, people, you spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on your house. It's the most expensive thing you will probably ever buy unless you're driving a Lamborghini, which if you are, call me, I want to ride. You should be willing to spend a couple $100s to pay an attorney to review a deed or draft a deed for you to transfer title of your home. Whether it's a rental property, your primary residence, or a vacation home, it's worth a lot of money. Don't screw it up. Have a professional do it for you. Number 6, irrevocable trusts. These are very dangerous. The name itself says irrevocable. That means you're not changing your mind. You're not updating it ever. And a lot of times people transfer property to a trust because that's what you're supposed to do. If it's irrevocable, you now don't own that property anymore. You can't be trustee of that trust if you want any of the protections that an irrevocable trust provides. That's a real complex conversation to have. It's way more dangerous than people realize. Talk to an attorney, and in most cases, don't do an irrevocable trust. Number 7, this one's very close to my heart because I have seen the most fights about this one, and for some reason people think they have to do this one and it's a good idea. It is not. Number 7 is not talking to your family about your plan. Everyone should know everything that's in your plan, especially the people you named as power people. If you're a parent with minor children and you've named a guardian for those kids, not a good idea to surprise your brother with your whole family. Talk to your family about what's going on, what's supposed to happen. Talk to your kids about who's supposed to inherit and why. It will avoid so many fights and save you thousands of dollars in court costs in the long run. So keep everyone informed. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. That was the top 7 estate planning mistakes to avoid. I'm Jeff Althaus from Althaus Law. Like, subscribe, and if you want to hear anything from us, let us know in the comments. Thanks a lot.